This is the fifth annual Environmental Expo. We put it together really to help bring people out and help them, frankly, learn, engage, and do. In other words, make a difference for themselves, make a difference in their community. We've got a lot of different groups here this year. It changes a little bit every year. We have the owls, we've got reptiles, we've got folks who are demonstrating cooking using the sun. We've got all kinds of electric vehicles. We have electric school bus. I mean, frankly, you name an environmental kind of interest and activity, we've got it here. So having a partnership with the Fairfax County Public Schools and with other kinds of community, the scouts, etc., it's a good way to connect kids to the real world, the natural world, and have them be, frankly, advocates and champions for making that kind of difference for all of us.
Well, it's a great day to be out and about. It's Earth Day. It's great to see all the children and families here really thinking about our sustainable future and how important that is for our next generation. Well, so Riverside Elementary and our Get to Green folks, as well as it looks like our electric bus folks are here. And I just think, I thank Supervisor Storck for spearheading this work. And ultimately, the health of our community depends on this work, which makes it so important that our partnership remain really strong on this topic.